What is bypass charging? Welcome to this presentation on bypass charging, a smart feature designed for high-performance devices like gaming laptops and flagship smartphones. What is bypass charging? Bypass charging is a feature that allows a device to draw power directly from the charger instead of constantly charging and discharging the battery. This ensures that the battery remains idle while the device runs directly on wall power. It is particularly popular in gaming laptops and some high-end smartphones. How it works. Here is how it works. When bypass charging is enabled, the electricity from the charger is routed directly to the processor, display, and other components. The battery is not involved, which means its level stays the same, whether it's at 30%, 50%, or even 80%. As soon as the charger is unplugged, the device automatically switches back to using the battery. Benefits of bypass charging. Bypass charging comes with several benefits. First, it reduces heat. Charging a battery generates heat, and when combined with heavy usage like gaming, the device can get very hot. Bypass charging prevents this extra heat buildup. Second, it extends battery lifespan. Since the battery is not going through constant charge and discharge cycles, its overall health and longevity are preserved. And third, it improves performance. A cooler device avoids thermal throttling, which means the processor can run at peak speed without slowing down due to overheating. Where is it found? Bypass charging is not yet a standard feature on all devices. It is most commonly available on gaming laptops and high-performance smartphones. Brands like Asus with their ROG phones, Samsung with Game Booster settings, OnePlus, and iQOO support it. Some devices, like Google Pixel phones, activate a similar function once the battery reaches a charge limit, such as 80%.